feel like without mascara I look literally naked, but hello guys, we are getting our lives together, having a monthly reset routine because I've been wanting to film one of these for so long, and I know you guys probably love to watch these before the new month, and sometimes I'm like, damn, it is way too late to be filming this, posting this, but I feel like now is the perfect time. I literally just posted my getting out of a slump video, and I've been literally struggling the past 2 to 3 weeks. October has been a great month. It's been like a roller coaster, honestly, and I'm ready to just literally, quite literally, get my life together for November. This is not going to be in any particular order, but these are all of the things that I do to like maximize my productivity for the current day, for the current week, and weeks to come, and literally the whole entire month. This will maximize your productivity too, so I hope this motivates you guys and you can implement some of these into your weekly routines. So a lot of these things you're supposed to do and follow up with every week so that it's a consistent routine for the whole month. And we're gonna actually start by doing my nails, and I'm a content creator, so I'm always filming, using my hands for things, and my hands are chubby sausage fingers, so I need to make them look cute. I love this that I got from Amazon. It's the Beetles gel polish at home. Got the best fall colors, so we're gonna get started with this vlog by doing my nails. Make sure you guys subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. And also, look at how cute I made myself a new vision board background for myself in my getting out of a slump video. This is motivation right here, and you need this going into any new month when you're resetting. So a great idea right here is to create a vision board. I'm fully obsessed with how my nails came out. It's the next thing we're going to be doing, which guys, I haven't done this in so long. I actually can't remember the last time that these got situated through. My Alex drawers are kind of like a catch-all in a way. Like each drawer has its like designated like items, but it's a complete disaster. Like especially this drawer. And most of the stuff too can like honestly go. It's gonna go. It has to go. I'm about to put on music because I feel like the only way I can really clean and focus on cleaning is if there's music blasting and I'm singing. Also, I really want to like reorganize my little vanity tray that I have here because it's also something that is just like a complete disaster. And it feels so good to have cleaned a little bit, and now we're gonna do some goal setting and reflecting. I have like 20 journals. I have one that is just lined paper so that I can write out and reflect on my goals and just kind of free write. This is also where I do like my manifestations and stuff, which is something I'm doing right now. And honestly, I feel like last month for October I didn't like physically write down my goals, and I feel like that's kind of also what threw me off. We're going to fix that right now. I'm pretty much writing my goals for like social media, so like my YouTube channel, Instagram, TikTok. Follow me on all my platforms. So I'm pretty much writing like goals of like what I want to hit for those, and then just like life goals and other things like that. There's honestly no better feeling than writing out your goals, and I feel like also I did a little bit of scripting, manifesting, and that honestly motivates the crap out of me. I don't know what it is. It's just like because you're visualizing everything, right? And you're writing everything in the present tense like as if you have it. So in that way, it's so motivating. You guys need to try that technique. I will see you all tomorrow for the rest of this lovely reset, because part of it is sleeping early and getting into a good sleep routine. So make sure you're setting your alarms. I always do that, and the key for me is waking up early. I need to make use of my time wisely. Good morning. We have another day of getting our life together. Let's start by making some breakfast. I need coffee. Okay guys, I got new coffee pods. So I got, they did away with Bianco Leggero. So I think this is like the replacement. It's called Bianco Doppio. I'm trying it for the first time today, so I will let you guys know how it is. And then another one that I got, but it's at the bottom of the jar, is Bianco Piccolo. It's only a single espresso pod though, so I also got that. And then I also got a double espresso. They came out with this limited edition Cafecito de Puerto Rico, so I tried this yesterday. It was good, so now I'm trying the Doppio. Let's see how it is. Let's do a taste test. Cheers. I might have put a little bit too much milk, so it's like a little milky. It does taste similar to the Leggero. A little different though, but okay, as I'm eating and drinking it more, it tastes really good. So I give it a 9 out of 10. There was one chore that I wish I didn't have to do. It would be laundry, because I actually despise doing laundry, but we gotta do it. I feel like I'm always doing laundry. The glasses go on, I mean literal business. We're about to update my Excel sheet. I have an Excel sheet pretty much for like YouTube. So since I do UGC, which is different than like social media influencing, it's two separate things. So I have two Excel sheets that handles both of those with like finances, obviously. So I'm gonna go in and update that. If you guys haven't been keeping track of all that stuff, I just use literally Google Sheets and it is perfect for me. Got myself a little snack, and I wanted to show you guys because I'm using Notion now to schedule out like my week, and this is great to do, like I said, on a week-to-week basis. But I've been playing around more with Notion and trying to like see what I like. So I just found a template that is just like a weekly agenda, and you have to go to personal. So if you go to like templates down here, you have here personal, like if you're a college student. I'm sure you guys all freaking know this already, like it's not rocket science, but in case you don't. So what I like to use, because I know for productivity and all that stuff you guys like when I share tips, so I like to use this more for kind of like everything. If I have any due dates for things, and also if I have appointments, anything planned specifically, just things that I want to get done. Like it's kind of like my to-do list, but in a broad form. And I'm sweating my ass off, but I'm gonna shower after I get this done because I can't. I literally had to throw my hair up. And before I do shower, I'm gonna be going through my closet a little bit. There's some stuff that I know that I can get rid of, aka all of my old work stuff. So I'm gonna be making a little room in my closet, a little for more organization. Saying goodbye to this much worth of old work shirts. This is my final goodbye. See you literally never. This motivated you to have a monthly reset day, and also just to get your life together for a new month. It's never too late to do so. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I love you guys.